Metzmont in Jackson, Michigan. I'm Erin Clark, a realtor with ERA Reardon Realty. This home is in an extremely desirable location, highly sought after. It's located near two parks, Cascades and Ellisharp Park, walking and biking trails, and close to the highway. This house has 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It includes a master suite. It has 2 living room areas, a completely unfinished basement that you can do whatever you want with. The kitchen has all of the appliances included, and the washer and dryer are on the main level and are included for your convenience. There's a great patio, a fenced-in backyard, and it's in a beautiful neighborhood on a quiet street. Taking a tour of this home. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Call me, Erin Clark, at 517-315-9219 to schedule your own private tour.